So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and once again I am back today with another headband wig review, and this one is another synthetic one. I believe this is the third synthetic headband wig I've reviewed on my channel. So if you have been interested in synthetic form of headband wigs, make sure you guys check out the ones that I have done so far. But of course, I did get this one off of Amazon from a company. I don't know how to pronounce it, if there's a pronunciation, but I got it from NNZES on Amazon. So of course, I'm going to give you guys all the details down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check it out. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I showed you guys the construction of this wig. This wig has 3 combs. The comb is right here, here, and here. It doesn't have a comb in the back, and of course it had the black elastic part where you put the headband on. Of course, they sent me this cute little blue headband to put on their headband wig, and they did send me, of course, a wig cap, which I always love these companies to send those. So this is their 20-inch long straight synthetic headband wig. It retails for $26.99, so under $50, under $30, affordable. And if you like synthetic wigs and you like this, okay. So of course you guys see that this wig is black. Now I actually like the wig and I like the length because it's 20 inches. For synthetic hair, it's also not too shiny. This definitely gives me more of like a jet black type of look, which I like. If you are familiar with me in general, when I would do black hair, my black hair, I prefer it to be jet black. So this is just the way it looks. It's giving me like a jet black type of color. Now I do like the length. The hair is soft, but it's tangling. This bad boy is tangling. I did brush it out, and I'm not noticing any shedding from this wig. Well, a little bit, just a couple of strands. But yeah, it's tangling a little bit, so that sucks. But I mean, what do you expect with a synthetic wig? Unfortunately, you guys know the longer it is, the more tangled up it's going to be, okay? Especially when it's synthetic. But this wig is super cute, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks all around. So this is how the front looks. So 20 inches again, it's under my boobs. This is the side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. So yeah, it's really cute. I do like it. It's just a little tangled up, unfortunately. So, you know, that sucks. But I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length. And if you like the fact that it's synthetic and all of that good stuff, let me know down below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me down below in the comments as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course, like always, I will see you guys in my next one.